Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Presently. Presently means at present time. For example, there are presently 1,128 people on the waiting list. There are presently 1,128 people on the waiting list. Synonyms: at present, currently, at the moment.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Problems, in fact, are many with traffic congestion presently leading the list. Now, repeat after me. Problems, in fact, are many with traffic congestion presently leading the list. The second exemplar. Steve Finn, a seasoned television director, is presently working on his feature debut. Now, repeat after me. Steve Finn, a seasoned television director, is presently working on his feature debut. The third exemplar. Social security systems in the Caribbean are presently faced with quite a challenge. Now, repeat after me. Social security systems in the Caribbean are presently faced with quite a challenge.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word set has the highest number of definitions in the dictionary. It clocks in at a whopping 464. Can you believe that?
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.